right, so we are at Mickey Grove Golf Course, Prominence car meet. So everyone is out here. Jose just showed up. Sheesh. The M3 is hard. Yeah, we'll let him get his park on and then show you guys just the beginning of what's here. What?
You're doing that shit all the time, right?
They spinning, bitches. They spinning.
Look at them! And they spinning, nigga, they spinning! They spinning, nigga, they spinning! They spinning, nigga, they spinning!
Couldn't get
Get
spinners.
going, dude. Yeah.
I tried to get spinners.
That's so clear, bro. That's fucking dope.
One's a EG hatch, and I think another one is a Camaro.
Nice.
Trying to get back out.
Curve in.
You might have to like pull my car like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to guide you. Jeez. Dude, that's a classic body kit right there. Dude, oh, I love that wing too. Yeah. Just getting started. Cool.
Do you like Ice Nine Kills? Not really. Their early work was a little bit too seen for me, but when the silver screen came out, I think they really came into.
And then I got a 91 Camaro, and it was fucked up. And then I got...
Check this one out. Oh my god. Let's go.
We'll be out here again next month on the 4th for our Easter event. So please come by.
Yeah, he told me.
If you have grandkids,